Oh, it's a nice winter's day at Wimbendale Nature Reserve. I'm going to do a practice hike for my Larapinta trip that's coming up. Woo! Can't wait to go to Northern Territory. So I've got a 15-kilo overnight pack, even though it's just a day walk, just to get used to the weight. I've got my new Obos shoes. So you need reasonably new shoes for Larapinta because it's rocky and rough. If you've got old shoes that are half falling apart, they'll fall apart on the trail. And running in the new shoes, getting used to wearing an overnight pack, testing the microphone too with the GoPro, seeing how all that works. So it should be a nice day, probably about 10 kilometres or so. Better get moving. Oh, it's not too bad so far. There's been a lot of muddy pools where I had to detour off the track. So hopefully it's not going to be this muddy at Larapinta. Pleasant day. It's chilly, it's above 10 degrees, but not freezing. Nice walking weather. Just got to keep going through these fire trails. There's a lot of branches down like this over the trail, so there's sort of a detour around, and then we go back onto the trail. So it's about 3 kilometres of walking. Got a nice log here, so it's a good spot for morning too. Still nice weather. So boots are going fine. Starting to run them in, they're getting a bit more comfortable. And that's the reason why I got the same model again, same size, same model. So I knew the previous ones are good. So have a bit of a break, have some water, and I'll keep going. I think it's a good spot for lunch. I got to these white posts here, and this is near where we had lunch before 3 years ago. We've done 6.7 kilometres, so I think it's enough to have a break, have lunch, check out some views. Oh, how's this for a view and lunch spot? Absolutely fantastic. Looking over the dam at the bottom. Oh, perfect. That's Wimbendale Dam down there. That supplies Bathurst's council sports grounds and places like that. It's not a drinking water supply. Jiffy Dam is. Oh, beautiful spot here. Look at these rocks. It's awesome. No one else here. Here by myself, my pack. Boots feel really good. Pretty much almost run in now, I think. Pack feels good. So you do something like the Larapinta Trail. It's interstate. It's a big trip. You've got to get this practice in. Make sure you're fit enough. Check the gear out. So time for lunch now. Oh, I've got the kettle on now. My little white box Smetho stove. Nice ultralight little piece of kit with the titanium billy on top of it. So that will heat my water for my coffee. Tell me if there's a better place for lunch. We've got nice, freshly boiled hot water for the coffee. Look at this view. Not many other places that are better than this, I don't think. And it's a great place for a practice hike. Oh, it's 3 o'clock now. I'm on the way back, so hopefully half an hour to an hour I'll be finished back to the car. So 9.2 k's so far. It's been a good walk. I'll be glad to get back to the car and have a rest day. Oh, cute little yellowy orangey fungi here. So it is a bit wet. It's winter, so late autumn, early winter time for fungi. Got a few more k's to go. I'll get back to the car. It's just beautiful being in the bush. Me, myself, and I, a few birds. I saw a kangaroo while we were running through the bush. I better stop chatting and get on my way. I'll never get back to the car. Almost at the car. I'm at Golf Boundary Road. Probably another 500 metres to a kilometre to get back. As you can see to my left, you've got pine trees here. It's sort of pine plantation. And then you've got the gum trees on this side, the natural sort of stuff. So a lot of this is still interstate forest. I don't know if it's currently being logged. There's a lot of pines here, and native Australian gum trees, eucalyptus on this side. Oh, it's 11 kilometres down, and faithful Subaru Forester waiting for me. Quite a few muddy bits like this. Had a bit of rain yesterday. I think it's just collecting here because the ground's probably got a bit of clay soil. Nice little dam where I started. Beautiful reflections there. I'm happy with that. 11 kilometres. I feel fine. A little bit tired, but not too tired. Everything, body seems to be working. Tax working. So I'm glad this is the third practice day walk I've done as a heavy pack. So I'm pretty confident I should be good at Barrackin for Northern Territory. But I'll still do as much exercise as I can beforehand to keep that fitness up. Don't want to get there and conk out after day one. Cheers. So thanks for watching. Check out ecopenny, subscribe, like, comment. Best channel for eco tips, eco sports and penny farming. Catch you later. What better place? And take two action. Cut. Wind test of the microphone. Moderate wind at the top there. Wind test. Enough wind to have the rain jacket on. Wind test. Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2.